Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this edition of Mindful Musings. And today, the topic is how to network effectively. One of the first memories that I have of Kailash is during the course of a conference. तो कैलाश बड़े 5 स्टार होटल के बैंक्वेट हॉल में एक बड़ा कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा था और उसमें करीबन 500-600 इंडस्ट्री के लोग कम से कम होंगे. So when Kailash, as soon as he entered the hotel, I saw that it took Kailash about 15-20 minutes to just make it from the entrance of the hotel to the hall where the actual conference was being conducted. So everyone knew Kailash, and Kailash was stopping in, shaking hands, putting his arms around people. And there were people, from various spectrums. उसमें distributors भी थे, mutual fund companies के CEOs भी थे, journalist लोग भी थे. So clearly, Kailash, you've been a very consummate networker. Okay?
Well,
So आज आप हमें बताओ कि ये जो चीज मैंने 10 साल पहले देखा था और ये मेरे दिमाग में एकदम इनग्रेन्ड है वेरी डीपली. कभी इसके कंधे पे हाथ, कभी उसके कंधे पे हाथ, कभी इससे हाथ मिलाना, कभी उससे मिलना, कभी उसको वेव करना, आपको बहुत टाइम लगा. ओके, सो क्लियरली कैलाश इज समवन who has mastered the art and science of making friends and influencing people. And as we all know, we can influence people when we are able to network well. Okay, so who can be better than Kailash Kulkarni, the CEO of L&T Mutual Fund, to tell us about the secrets of how to network effectively. So welcome, Kailash. तो मैं वहीं से शुरू करता हूं कि आप हर वक्त were you always a consummate networker like this?
so Prem, thanks for the kind words, but I myself didn't know it took me 15-20 minutes to reach from one end of the hall to the other.
Okay.
I can only tell you that you eat good amount of badam in the morning and I don't, because my memory is not that good.
Okay.
But nevertheless, have I been possibly uh, a person who likes to interact with people, society, different sets of people right from my childhood? The answer is yes. I have liked talking to people, understanding them, getting to know them. And that's possibly been because a little bit about my childhood, and possibly, sometimes certain things just grow on you. So my father had a transferable job. So, unlike many of my friends who I talk to, and they say, Mera ye chaddi baddi hai, when they have been grown up from nursery onwards till 10th, 12th standard,
Yeah.
I don't have any such friends, unfortunately.
Okay.
Because I was born in Mumbai, Shivaji Park. And then when I was 3.5 years old, we moved to Chennai.
Okay.
And from there, we moved to Saharanpur. From there, we moved to Bangalore. From there, we moved. So we have been moving all through my school time. And that time, there
Okay.
was no email, there were no phone call, there was no WhatsApp, nothing. So it
Okay.
was either you write letters and stay in touch or you just lose touch. But because you stayed in different parts of India, the only way is you had to know people, is to get to know people, talk to them, So right from childhood, I have been meeting different kinds of people and talking to them. And as the saying goes, they say that I used to be a very, very talkative child. So possibly a lot of people used to also talk to me and I used to like it. So that's the reason why I like to interact. I think by interacting, meeting people of different places, different types of people, you learn a lot. Okay. And I think the quest for learning with me has always been very, very high. And possibly that's the reason why it's called networking. That's a word you all use. I don't use it as a word called networking, but it's just a thirst to know more people, get to know more people, and understand them better. Helps, I think, in all walks of life.
तो अगर आप चेन्नई से if you went to Saharanpur,
Yeah.
and you went to a new school, obviously there.
Yeah.
Or as someone who joins in a new school, you want to be accepted. You want people to like you. You want to play with them. You want them to involve you in their activities. So, there's a certain guts which are required for you to kind of break the ice with them. कभी कुछ कोई आपको करता है, कभी आप उनके साथ करते हैं. Sometimes they approach you, sometimes you have to approach them.
Yes.
You know, so any learnings when you're dealing with strangers कि आपको कभी भी strangers के साथ अब डर नहीं लगता?
So अभी डर नहीं लगता, पहले तो लगता था डर. ऐसा नहीं है कि it was that smooth sailing. But I think one of the important things you learn is, many a times if you go and then start giving your own views and your ideas and your own thoughts, the other people may not like it because they're saying this guy is new, he's just come here and he's giving his ideas. So sometimes you have to just kind of shut up and just listen and nod your head in agreement or disagreement and say, yes, I think this is correct, but we could look at it this way and put it in a more polite manner rather than brush somebody off. I think networking also has got to do a lot with listening skills. If you're not listening to people, they will not like you. They will think that you are coming as a dominating person trying to impose your view onto them rather than, getting that connect with the people. And hence what happens is if you go, so I'll give you a very funny instance. I mean, these are real life examples of mine. And I think everything, if you give a real life example, it has much more value than just, giving some kind of a
Gyan from a textbook.
Yes, from a textbook or something.
Share kariye.
Because I was never brought up in Mumbai or in Maharashtra, Marathi was, although it's my mother tongue, apart from speaking it at home, there was no Marathi connection anywhere. So it always used to be a combination of English and Hindi wherever we went, or once in a while Marathi at home, because even at home used to lapse into English or Hindi. It was like that. So my Marathi was never really strong.
Okay.
And suddenly, after spending a few years in Bombay and of course, then I shifted to Pune. That's where I learned my Marathi during college days and all, and became much better at Marathi. But after joining this industry, one day, I remember somebody came to me and said, listen, we have very few people who can speak in Marathi. So why don't you do a TV show on personal investments in Marathi? And I said, are you crazy? I said, I'm not that good in Marathi. I said, I can't speak. He said, why don't you give it a try? So you kind of simulated it by saying, okay, let me see if I can talk investments in Marathi, which is very different from the normal colloquial Marathi that you do. And you overcame that fear. So sometimes you have to try it. So when you go to a unknown conference where you don't know too many people, unless and until you don't go introduce yourself, exchange your visiting card, and generally have a conversation with them and what do you do. And the most important thing is, I think you need to be well read. I think that is a prerequisite of having a conversation. Because if the person, let's say, is from the travel and tourism industry, and you're talking to that person and you have absolutely no clue of the industry, the conversation becomes very limited. So, a little basic understanding of everything, and that is why reading becomes a very, very critical part of it. So even if you interact with non-financial people or non-financial services people, your ability to hold a conversation should be there. So that's something which I've learned the hard way, and reading, like I said, is very, very critical. So I read a lot. I prefer to read a lot in the whole scope of things.
So we've already gotten off to a great start. पहले तो आपने सबसे पहले बोला कि get out of your comfort zone, and since you have been in different cities, Saharanpur, Chennai, Pune, and so many other places, I'm sure. So get out of your comfort zone. दूसरा आपने बोला कि try new things. You said कि आपको मराठी ठीक से आता नहीं था. You were not so confident about being able to do content in Marathi relating to mutual funds or personal finance. So you broke out of that comfort zone and you tried that. And point number 3, आपने बोला कि read, because when you are meeting people from different walks of life, it's easy to hold a conversation and connect with them if you know something about what they do or what their industry is all about. Fantastic. लेकिन कैलाश, इस पे एक क्वेश्चन मेरे को आपसे पूछना है. हर एक कोई आपके जैसा नहीं होता है. There are many of us who are a little shy, who feel, particularly if we are out of our comfort zone. So if, the people who I know, if they go to a conference, which is of mutual funds, 10 लोग मिल गए वहां पे, अपने दोस्त लोग, ठीक है, मजा किया, conference attend किया, आ गए. But the same people, when they go to, let us say, a conference in a different industry, or they are at a social party, or if it is, let us say, a cocktail party at a shadi, before shadi these days, very often people hold cocktail parties. या कहीं reception पे गए रिश्तेदारों के यहाँ पे. I consider all of them to be network opportunities, क्योंकि आप लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप वहाँ पे गए हैं, and if you, for personal or professional interest, it's good for most of us to be making new connections and new contacts every time. So for those of us who have not had the benefit of staying in diverse locations, of having had the experience of breaking ice in new environments, क्या tip दोगे जो लोग इतने confident, इतने shy नहीं हैं, shy हैं rather?
It's a good question. तो पहले क्या होता है ना कि तुम ऐसे कहीं भी कोई भी इवेंट में जाते हो, तुम अकेले जाते नहीं हो, जनरली किसी दोस्त के साथ जाते हो या कलीग के साथ जाते हो.
Okay.
And many a times you just stand and listen to the conversation.
Okay.
तो तुम्हारा दोस्त बात कर रहा है 4 लोगों के साथ, तुम सिर्फ सुन रहे हो.
Correct.
और you are actually hearing different things. Okay. तो you say अच्छा ठीक है. दूसरी चीज है कि if somebody is talking about, let's assume they had gone to Hampi and they went and saw the ruins of Hampi, and they, this is what was very nice, and they are describing the place. You are also learning. अगले टाइम कभी आर्किटेक्चर या ऐसा कुछ भी कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ तो यू कैन ऑलवेज से, क्या आपने हम्पी भी देखा है क्या? आई एम टोल्ड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, आई प्लान टू गो देयर. आप गए नहीं होंगे, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज से आई प्लान टू गो देयर, एंड वो सामने वाला बोला या आई लव टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. मैं कोणार्क गया था और कोणार्क में ऐसा था, तो क्या कैसा था कोणार्क, आप जरा बताइए, मुझे भी जाना है. सो दैट्स हाउ द कॉन्वर्सेशन. So you may not necessarily be an extrovert, but you ask a simple question which that gives the opportunity सामने वालों को बात करने के लिए. I think that also works very well. But if you are one dimensional, कि मैं म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री के हूँ, मुझे पर्सनल फाइनेंस और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के अलावा मुझे और कुछ भी नहीं बात करना है, तो फिर कॉन्वर्सेशन करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू आर लाइक अ स्टक रिकॉर्ड. आप वहीं पे आके रुकोगे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट प्रोफिशिएंट होना चाहिए उसमें,
बिल्कुल,
बट एटलीस्ट समझना चाहिए कि इस दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है.
तो क्यूरियोसिटी तो होना चाहिए, क्यूरियोसिटी होना चाहिए, भले नॉलेज इतना नहीं हो उसके बारे में, लेकिन अगर क्यूरियोसिटी होता है तो देन यू कैन शो जेन्युइन इंटरेस्ट इन व्हाट द अदर पर्सन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड देन यू कैन टेक इट फॉरवर्ड.
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली.
दैट्स अ वेरी गुड इनसाइट.
रिसेंटली यूएस इलेक्शंस थे, तो सब जगह पे यूएस इलेक्शंस के बारे में डिस्कशन हो रहा था.
हाँ.
और काफी लोगों को पता नहीं था कि यूएस इलेक्शंस का जो वोट्स मिलते हैं, इसको वो कैसे होता है. So it is from the majority of the people, then the whole state, the entire state goes to that particular person.
Correct.
Now, this is not that I understand US elections, but पढ़ लेता हूँ. और जब ऐसे गैदरिंग्स में क्या होता है, टिपिकली अभी जो चल रहा है, लेटेस्ट टॉपिक के ऊपर काफी डिस्कशन होता है. Then if you could contribute एक दो चीजें, तो उनको भी लगता है यार इसको थोड़ा बहुत तो मालूम है इस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में. रीडिंग becomes very important because उससे सीख मिलती है और सीख से हम लोग बातें कर सकते हैं. And that is how we are able to connect with more and more people. Number one. Number two, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जब हम ऐसे गैदरिंग्स में लोगों को मिलते हैं तो शायद कोई भुवनेश्वर का रहेगा, कोई कलकत्ता का रहेगा, कोई दिल्ली का रहेगा, जयपुर का रहेगा, और बॉम्बे में मिले हैं बिकॉज जैसे आपने बोला वो इवेंट के लिए। अगले टाइम आप जब जाओगे जयपुर या आप कलकत्ता जाओगे या आपका प्लान बना है, इफ यू पिक अप द फोन एंड टॉक टू दैट पर्सन एंड से सर आपको याद है हम ये कॉन्फ्रेंस में मिले थे, एक्चुअली मैं कलकत्ता आ रहा हूँ, मेरे पास एक फ्री डे है, तो अगर मुझे 2 चीजें कलकत्ता में देखनी है तो व्हाट वुड यू रिकमेंड आई शुड सी इन कलकत्ता, बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस, आई थॉट आई शुड टॉक टू यू। सी ही आल्सो फील्स वेरी हैप्पी कि तुमने उसको याद किया था। एंड एवरीथिंग डज नॉट हैव टू बी कि मुझे इससे धंधा आज निकालना है।
बिल्कुल, ऐसे
10 बार कॉन्वर्सेशन होगा तो 11वें बार आपको बिजनेस ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा आपके।
लेकिन ये जेन्युइन होना चाहिए, ये मतलब don't necessarily approach a network with the idea of getting an immediate payoff.
Absolutely, that is networking.
And don't manipulate also. आपको genuine interest होना चाहिए।
नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से अगर हम इसीलिए बात कर रहे हैं कि हमको कल बिजनेस मिलेगा या कल उसका रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, तो मेरे हिसाब से that is doesn't work. People can immediately make out that this person is talking to you only because he wants to see something for his benefit.
Okay.
ऐसे कभी नहीं होता। I have had a situation, प्रेम, कि एक क्लाइंट, ऐसा क्लाइंट माने प्रोस्पेक्टिव क्लाइंट हो सकता था, एक मैं जब जेम में था, मैं लेट 90s की बात कर रहा हूँ, वहां पे मुझे एक ऐसा बंदा मिला था एंड हम लोग ऐसे ही वी यूज्ड टू बी इन टच, हम लोग बातें करते रहते थे इसके बारे में उसके बारे में, but he never gave me money. And suddenly in 2009 and 10 he was one of my biggest clients.
10 साल बाद
but just by being in touch, and the truth is वो भी बहुत funny था। He said, कैलाश मुझे एक तुमसे बात करनी है, हम इतने सालों से एक दूसरे के जानते हैं, बट तूने कभी मुझे इसके बारे में बोला नहीं है, आज मेरे पास ऐसे ऐसे पैसे हैं और ये 3 कंपनीज आई हैं, दे आर ट्राइंग टू सेल मी दिस, और मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हूँ, तू मुझे बता पाएगा क्या, कैन यू हेल्प मी आउट इन दिस? तो आई सेड हाँ ठीक है, श्योर, सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन टू मी, मैं देख के आपको बता दूंगा। He was so happy that I gave him the right, whatever you could say, the things that he would look out for in that product, he became my client. It wasn't with the intention of making him into a direct client. So sometimes you have to play it for a long time. I'm not saying that हर client को 10 साल लगते हैं, कोई लोग 3 महीने में client बन जाता है, 6 महीने client बन जाता है, पर उस हिसाब से नहीं जाना चाहिए wherein you go straight right now saying okay tomorrow this guy will cut a check, then it is a deal, it is not networking.
Okay. लेकिन जैसे कई बार मैंने प्रोफेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में देखा कि कुछ लोग हैं जो कि हर वक्त इस ताड़ में रहते हैं कि किससे मिलना है किससे नहीं मिलना है, ठीक है, और जैसे अगर आपके साथ बात हो रही है और उनको इमीडिएटली मालूम पड़ गया कि भाई आप उनके किसी मतलब के नहीं है, तो फिर वो लोग काफी मतलब रूडली निकल जाते हैं। तो
निकल जाने दो,
नहीं उनको निकल जाने दो, लेकिन हमें शायद वो गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए। क्योंकि किसी को हमें ये नहीं मालूम, और पहली बात तो एटिकेट होना चाहिए, एक बेसिक एटिकेट होना चाहिए कि भाई यू नो because it has happened.
You have made a very valid point. Number one, we should not do that. But more important, if somebody does that to you, should you take it to heart and say, "Sala, ye aadmi bewkoof hai"? You should just forget it.
Yeah, obviously.
Maybe in the next conference, he will come back to you and say, "Hello, how are you?" That time you shouldn't walk out. See, this world is too small. You don't know when who come into whose help.
Correct.
You should continue to be in touch with as many people as you can.
Correct. बिल्कुल आपने सही बात बोली है। अच्छा, एक और चीज होती है कि हम लोग कैलाश एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाते हैं, ठीक है, अब हम कितना टाइम किसको कितना दें, खास करके समझिए कि कोई कैफे म्यूचुअल की कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जब अभी तो खैर सब ऑनलाइन कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है, लेकिन जैसे अपनी फिजिकल कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है, तो कोई आया पुणे से अटेंड करने को, और वहां पे वो देख रहा है कि देखो मुझको वो एएमसी वालों से भी मिलना है, मेरे को वो कोई वो एनडी के उससे भी मिलना है, मेरे को उससे भी मिलना है। तो हम लोगों को कुछ प्लानिंग करना चाहिए इस तरीके से, ताकि हम लोग अपना टाइम ठीक से यूज कर पाए। क्या करना चाहिए? एनी थॉट्स ऑन दैट? क्योंकि एक ही दिन है, उसमें लेक्चर भी अटेंड करना है, वो लंच भी खाना है, दोस्तों से भी मिलना है, लेकिन कैलाश कुलकर्णी है सीईओ एलएनटी का, उससे मेरे को कुछ काम है, उससे भी मिलना है। XYZ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कंपनी का हेड है, वो मैंने देखा, उससे भी मिलना है। और काफी लोगों को मिलना होता है। फिर हाउ डू वी डिसाइड कि किससे मिलना है, किससे नहीं मिलना है, किससे 2 मिनट बात करें, किससे 10 मिनट बात करें?
So clearly, very difficult question. There is no simple answer to this question. Okay. But if I have to prioritize, because जैसे तुमने बोला time finite है.
हाँ.
Okay? And if I just go and talk to people from Mumbai city only,
correct,
then I am doing a disfavor, because जो पूना से आया है, नासिक से आया है, दिल्ली से आया है, कलकत्ता से आया है, मुंबई वाले को मैं कल उनके यहाँ जाके मिल सकता हूँ,
बिल्कुल,
बट बाहर वाले लोगों को मैं कम मिल सकता हूँ, बिकॉज मैं बॉम्बे में रहता हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
तो आई शुड प्रायोरिटाइज मीटिंग पीपल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड.
ओके ओके.
एट द सेम टाइम यू कांट निग्लेक्ट द मुंबई गाइस सेइंग दैट यार हम तो इधर ही है, हम कल मिल लेंगे.
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
थोड़ा उनसे 2 मिनट बात करना चाहिए और बाकी लोगों से 5-10 मिनट बात करना चाहिए. तो प्रायोरिटी वैसे रखनी चाहिए. और कभी कभार क्या होता है, कुछ लोगों को कुछ जेन्युइन क्वेरीज होती है, या कोई आता है और बोलता है देखो मुझे आपको एक फीडबैक देना है और तुम्हारे एएमसी में ऐसा ऐसा मैंने देखा है. यू कैन नॉट से अरे तू बॉम्बे का है, मैं कल आके मिलता हूँ. अगर उसका कंसर्न ज्यादा है तो फिर तुमको टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा. तो इट इज ऑल्सो ऑन हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट द टॉपिक इज. अभी जैसे काफी लोग जानते हैं कि मुझे ट्रैवल बहुत पसंद है, तो बहुत लोग मुझे फोन करते हैं और बोलते हैं कैलाश मुझे यहाँ जाना है, कुछ रिकमेंड कर सकते हो क्या? तो इट्स अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन टू हैव विद हिम. मेरा भी थोड़ा नॉलेज बढ़ जाता है. He also feels that I've helped him and it has nothing to do with business. तो मुझे काफी लोग फोन करके पूछते हैं कि ऐसा है, मुझे यहाँ ट्रैवल करना है, आप गए हो क्या, मुझे कुछ टिप्स दे सकते हो क्या? तो these are things of areas of interest which conversation हो सकता है वैसे.
अच्छा कैलाश, आपने अपने प्रोफेशनल करियर में भी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में भी रहे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में भी रहे, आप इंश्योरेंस में भी रहे, आप मेरे ख्याल से आईसीआईसीआई बैंक में भी थे, वही करेक्ट? तो आप अलग अलग सेक्टर्स में भी काम किया, अलग अलग लोकेशंस में भी काम किया. इफ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली, आपका इंश्योरेंस का जॉब वाज हेडक्वार्टर्ड इन बैंगलोर, इज दैट करेक्ट?
दैट्स राइट.
तो आप जैसे कई बार आपको भी हुआ होगा कि आप किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में गए हैं, यू नो वेरी फ्यू पीपल देयर, एंड आप आए हैं वहां पे, यू ऑब्वियसली वांट टू मेक एज मेनी एसोसिएशंस, एज मेनी रिलेशनशिप्स on that particular day. So what are some of the good do's and don'ts of making associations or making relationships in such events? क्या होता है जिससे कि हम लोग मिल सकते हैं? क्या चीजें आपके एक्सपीरियंस में जो अब आपने बताया, उसके अलावा आपने कहा जेन्युइन इंटरेस्ट है, बी अ गुड लिस्टर, इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे करें अपना?
तो मैं आपको एक अगेन रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल देता हूँ. काफी साल पहले इधर मैरियट पवई में एक एमडीआरटी एक्सपीरियंस नाम का एक इवेंट होता है. वो प्रोस्पेक्टिव एमडीआरटी के लिए होता है. ये इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज करते हैं टू ट्राई एंड प्रमोट द इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड एमडीआरटी इज द वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट लेवल्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस क्वालिफिकेशन, हम सब लोगों को पता है. तो मैं वो कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करने के लिए गया एज अ इंडिविजुअल, because MDRT experience you can register and go on your own. मैं किसी को जानता नहीं था वहां पे. और वहां गया तो मैं लोगों से बात कर रहा था, ऐसे ही इंट्रोड्यूस करता था, मैं कैलाश कुलकर्णी, मैं एलएनटी म्यूचुअल फंड में काम करता हूँ. तो बोले आप म्यूचुअल फंड के हो तो आप यहाँ क्यों आए हो? ये बोले मैं इंश्योरेंस का कॉन्फ्रेंस कैसा रहता है और क्या होता है. फाइनली आई सेड आप यूलिप बेचते हो, हम म्यूचुअल फंड बेचते हैं, प्रोडक्ट तो सेम ही है, नाम ही सिर्फ अलग है. एंड we started getting in touch. उसका फायदा ये हो गया, and I wasn't giving my card because I didn't want to show that I am CEO.
I
had just gone as कैलाश कुलकर्णी.
Okay, got it.
म्यूचुअल फंड में काम करता हूँ.
Hmm.
तो दे इंट्रोड्यूस मी टू द कमिटी मेंबर्स, और बाद में वो कमिटी मेंबर्स से बात करके देन आई वाज 2 years later they actually invited me to speak to 150 insurance agents saying why they should do both products.
Okay.
So it is not that I went with that intention into this, but I just went to see कि कैसा होता है, because मैंने MDRT एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बहुत सुना था कि बहुत अच्छे स्पीकर्स होते हैं, क्या होता है. कुछ नहीं तो क्या मिलेगा, सीख मिलेगी, 4 नए स्पीकर सुनने मिलेंगे, और शायद उससे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगा, या कॉन्फ्रेंस कैसे कंडक्ट करते हैं उससे कुछ हमको सीख मिलेगी, क्योंकि हमारे भी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होते थे.
बिल्कुल.
जस्ट वांट टू लर्न.
Go with an open mind.
Yeah, with an open mind. It was a very interesting. I have gone and attended a startup event in Ahmedabad, because my friend happened to be the member of that startup. माने वो कुछ बॉडी रहती है, तो वो 100 लोग मिलते हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट पे मिलते हैं वो लोग, हर सैटरडे, 3rd Saturday of every month या ऐसा कुछ मिलते हैं. तो इसे कैलाश तू आया है तो तू भी मेरे साथ आ, लोगों से मुलाकात हो जाएगी. There were people from the construction industry, there were people, automobile dealers थे, अलग अलग टाइप के लोग थे. तो जस्ट हाय हेलो हुआ, एक्सचेंज ऑफ कार्ड्स हुआ, कुछ नया सीखने मिला. बाद में कभी जाओगे तो उनसे मुलाकात होते रहेगी. And then your friend also introduces you as somebody from this industry. So it works. But saying no is not good. Saying no to such opportunities is not good.
Okay. So be open to all opportunities. कहाँ पे क्या सीखने को मिलेगा, क्या एक्सपीरियंस होगा, all of it will contribute somewhere in your own natural growth, development, networking, कुछ ना कुछ होगा.
Correct.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Great. Okay. तो मतलब don't go with a closed, fixed idea कि आज जाके मेरे को धंधा खींचना है या 10 क्लाइंट्स बनाने, 5 प्रोस्पेक्ट बना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करें. That's great. In fact, शायद वो कहते हैं ना कि जब आप बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज के पीछे भागते हैं तो शायद वो नहीं आती है. और जब आप so particularly they say this about wooing women, that if you go after them then they stay away from you, and the second you are so anyway, coming back to our own this thing, in an event I find that a lot of people come to conferences but they're not carrying cards. अपना बिजनेस कार्ड भी नहीं करते हैं, और उनको खुद को स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं होता है कि मैं कौन हूँ, क्या करता हूँ. मतलब कुछ इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे आप?
तो अगर ये सवाल आप मुझे 1 साल पहले बोलते तो मैं बोलता दिस इज अ क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी, यू शुड ऑलवेज कैरी कार्ड्स.
यस. नहीं, बट कैलाश, टुडे पीपल नो यू.
No, just hold on. I'm not talking about me. Okay. I'm talking of anybody.
Okay.
1 साल पहले अगर बोलते तो I would have said no, you should carry 50 cards with you.
हाँ, आप क्यों नहीं बोलते हो?
You don't need to carry 1 card.
क्यों?
Everything is electronic. आप उनको नंबर लो और आपका कार्ड उसको भेजो इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली.
Okay.
और उसके साथ बोलो सर, I don't print cards because I am there to protect the environment.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं, बहुत लोगों को अच्छा लगता है आजकल.
Okay.
And today you can have a virtual visiting card. प्रॉब्लम है ना लाइफ में, तो मैंने पिछले 1 साल में कार्ड प्रिंट ही नहीं किया है.
ओह वंडरफुल.
मैंने 1 साल में प्रिंट नहीं किया है. मेरे पास जो पुराने पढ़े हैं मैं आजकल यूज ही नहीं करता हूँ.
ठीक है.
बट yes, the more you go and interact, but tomorrow if I go to say a white goods conference in Bangalore,
yes,
nobody will know me,
of course,
but I need to give my, so you give the visiting card through an image to that person. So use technology. Today everything is fine, you don't need a physical card. Finally मैंने अगर आपका अभी जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं ये प्रोग्राम, अगर मैंने उनको पूछा कि भाई आप जो विजिटिंग कार्ड आपको मिलता है उसका क्या करते हो, कितने लोगों के पास एक डिसिप्लिन है कि बराबर फोल्डर में A to Z रखने का, नहीं तो आपको कभी याद ही नहीं रहेगा. और मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका सीखा था सर, एक इंडोनेशियन आदमी से ये तरीका सीखा था. He had Indian roots बट वो थर्ड जनरेशन इंडोनेशियन था। मैं उसको एक ऐसे ही कॉन्फ्रेंस में मिला था, तो उसने एक्सचेंज किए, नंबर्स एक्सचेंज किए हमने, और उससे बोला 1 मिनट मैं आपका फोटो लेता हूँ। तो मैं बोला आप मेरा फोटो क्यों ले रहे हो? इसे देखो 3 महीने बाद ना जब कैलाश नाम आएगा मेरे फोन पे, मुझे तुम्हारा चेहरा याद नहीं रहेगा, बट मैंने अभी आपका फोटो निकाला है, उसको मैं आपके फोन नंबर के सामने सेव करूंगा, तो जब भी आपका फोन बजेगा मुझे चेहरा याद आएगा, बिकॉज तुम्हारा फोटो दिखेगा वहां पे।
वाह,
इट वॉज सच अ सिंपल थिंग टू डू। आई थॉट इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल आइडिया। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने खुद इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया ये आइडिया, but the truth is it's a very powerful idea to have. So you don't need visiting cards per se, but
ओके
you need to
ओके
interact with people.
ओके ओके, लेकिन अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दिया जाए, इधर कुछ आप बोलना चाहेंगे कि should you go with a particular script or should you just say I'm Kailash?
I can only say one thing: whatever you are going to say, you
Yes,
should keep it very short.
of course.
It
Okay,
cannot
good point.
go on
लंबा.
for long time.
Okay.
Of course, you will have to tell your name. You can say I am from XYZ industry. This is what my work is. But apart from that, I like sports and travel, and leave it at that. You know, sometimes while people are introducing themselves, वो 2-2 मिनट चलता है कि मुझे ये भी अच्छा लगता है, मैंने ये भी किया है, मैं हिमालय भी गया हूँ, मैंने ट्रैकिंग भी किया है, मैं अंडमान में डीप सी डाइविंग भी कर चुका हूँ। तो काफी लोग कुछ कुछ ऐड कर देते हैं। वो फर्स्ट मीटिंग में जरूरत नहीं होता है। जब लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं उसका आंसर देने में जो मजा आता है, दैट इज मच बेटर, बिकॉज देन द पर्सन इज ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड इन यू रादर देन you talking on one side. And one important thing, Prem, I think, just let me put it here only, although you have not asked me that question. Lot of people think networking means you should meet in the evening after office hours over a beer and only that is networking. I don't think that is the truth. I think that is one way of networking, but it can't be a sustainable way of working. So there are different ways, but simple things. Like I said, if I'm going to Cochin on a holiday, let's assume, or if I'm going to some other city, can I pick up the phone, not message, pick up the phone, talk to people from that city and say, listen, I'm coming there for this work, but if you have time, I'd like to have a coffee with you also. That also helps. People say, अरे इसको याद है मैं इस city का हूँ. You know, unlike just sending a WhatsApp message or things like that.
So that's a good point. Networking is not just about meeting people over a drink or at a lavish party. It can be about this thing. A lot of people have now started using social media for networking. Okay. अभी अपना Facebook है, Twitter है, LinkedIn है. Any views on which social media is better for professional reasons? कुछ insights दीजिए. Are you using any of them?
So I do use, and nowadays I'm not so much on Facebook. So I'm rarely on Facebook.
Okay.
But I do use Twitter on and off.
Okay. Facebook, were you using it for professional reason or personal or combining the two?
No, I was using it mainly for personal reasons.
Okay.
But let me share with you what happens. When your sphere of circle or your friends is large enough, okay, you have 300, 400, 500 friends on Facebook. Facebook also gives you a reminder of birthdays.
Correct.
You have a choice.
Correct.
You can type a message there saying wish you a happy birthday and leave it at it. Or out of those 500, there'll be 100 people who you are closer to as compared to the other 400.
Correct.
At least for those 100 people, make the effort of picking the phone and talking to the person and wishing him or her a happy birthday on that particular day. Or if you have missed calling because you were tied up, you were busy or whatever, call a day or two later saying, यार उस दिन मुझे फोन करना था but busy था तो मैंने बोला चलो आज काफी टाइम से गपशप नहीं हुई है तेरे साथ. It's just that small things which matter a lot to people. Nowadays people think that by sending a SMS or WhatsApp, you have
बन
achieved,
गया,
you have
ड्यूटी
achieved,
हो गई, ड्यूटी.
yeah, no, you have achieved communication. I don't think so. Especially during festivals or during certain occasions, I think a little bit of personal touch goes a long way in India. And luckily we have not become America, जहाँ personal touch नहीं रहा तो भी चलेगा. But one thing, you made an important point. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. These are different mediums addressing different needs of people.
Okay.
If you have one set of communication going across all the 4 platforms, it is not a good way of communicating. Okay? LinkedIn is genuinely for professional reasons or something which is a very good idea, initiative, something more to do with your work profile, business, industry. You put an article out there, you give a thought out there, you copy paste the article which you thought was very good out there. People will appreciate it much more rather than putting a cartoon on your LinkedIn profile. Okay? On your Insta, Insta is more famous for food, travel, leisure, shopping. So if you put those kind of things out there, your Insta networking grows. So people start following it. So today, for example, if I find a particular handle which is really good, which gives travel related information, okay, on Insta, I can send that to the people I know who like to travel. They appreciate it. Okay. And that's how that works. So everything has its uses. You can't use cut, paste, cut, paste, cut, paste. So you have to tailor make it. And that is again how business grows or networking grows that way.
So you're saying all 4 are different in nature. Don't send the same messages on all the platform. Learn to appreciate what is unique about each thing. Insta is, like you said, more visual, shopping, eating, food, travel, those kind of things. So use that, use it for that. LinkedIn, you are saying, use it for professional reasons. Get introduced to people in your work or business related. Post articles which are related to your profession and your area of competence, which is where you build up. And Facebook is more of a personal touch, more of a personal connect. Any views on Twitter?
Despite, so I'll come down to that. So despite that, you can also use Facebook for business. Yes. So in your profile, you can have a Facebook for business and Facebook for personal use.
Yes.
And both those you can use it for completely different purposes. One to generate business and attract more clients. Okay. Yeah. And the second one would be more to do with your friends, family, and leisure kind of thing. Twitter, it really depends on how you want to use it. Some people use Twitter only to communicate professional things.
Yeah.
Some people mix it up. So I am the person who likes to mix it up. I don't necessarily talk only about the mutual fund industry or the data or something on investment. Then, I would like to put some very interesting things which are happening in the world out there. You know.
So did you comment on the US elections, for example?
I did not, because there's just too much noise around it. So my comment would really get lost in so much of noise.
Okay.
But today, for example, there is a very cute video I put on Twitter.
Okay.
Where there is a young girl, maybe 3-4 years old, wanting to learn judo, and the instructor teaching her the judo, and the instructor is teaching her how to throw the opponent over the head. So the instructor is 6 foot, the bacha is 3 foot. So the instructor actually is telling her, and then the girl catches the instructor and he does the roll over the girl.
What are you saying?
The girl is thinking that, you know, she's done it. So it's a very cute video. You need to mix thoda sa humor along with seriousness in such things. So that's what I look at Twitter for. And I can tell you one thing. Either you put in really some data which is not universally published and it's something very unique, that gets you more shares and likes. in Twitter, or you put things like this, and that gets you a lot of shares and likes. Just every day putting a quote or a tweet of Benjamin Graham or some of the big gurus of investment,
Warren Buffett,
is not it's not going to get you anywhere.
Okay, now Kailash, last 7 months or so, the world has changed completely. Earlier, we were meeting people, we were meeting each other in person, face to face. Abhi to hum log, most people are avoiding any kind of human contact outside their immediate family. अभी तो ना तो पार्टी हो रही है, ना तो कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हो रहे हैं, ना फंक्शंस हो रहे हैं रियल वर्ल्ड में. और जब वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है ऐसा वाला, तो अभी आप कैसे, लंच ब्रेक तो होगा नहीं, कॉफी ब्रेक तो होगा नहीं, वेयर विल पीपल गो एंड मीट ईच अदर. अभी तो अभी ये जो रिमोट वर्ल्ड में नेटवर्किंग के रूल्स क्या बदल गए हैं, अभी हम कैसे करेंगे, हाउ डू वी डेवलप न्यू कॉन्टैक्ट्स?
सो थोड़े से तो बदल गए हैं. आई थिंक पहले चीज है कि the quality of the questions you answer during a Q&A session gets you noticed by other people. So that helps. Okay, it's very difficult to get in touch, but if suppose somebody has asked a question which touches you, you can go to the chat box and type a question to that person and say it was a great question. You're in touch with that person. You can exchange an email ID and say would like to be in touch. This was a very good thought. Now, also, it's important, see, if you attend different conferences and different seminars, you get to learn a lot. Okay. Today, for example, Hindustan Times is doing their annual event.
Correct.
Which is going on right now.
Correct.
Now, on a normal year, none of us would get to attend that event. Today, anybody sitting in any part of the world can attend that event. And you get to hear some of the best and the biggest international speakers also.
Yes.
So why can't you do that? Or we are having our Winner's Circle event, which is again going on this month, which Cafe Mutual is also talking about. And we have got some great speakers lined up. If you attend these speaking events, you get to learn something from these speakers. And maybe you may not be able to network directly, but indirectly, in other groups that you have, you can say, listen, I learned about XYZ through this speaker. And then, on your WhatsApp groups, you can do that. And maybe in the WhatsApp groups, not all 25 or 40 or 100 people are known to you. So, that's how you build your communication. But during these pandemic days when we are not meeting people, I think one of the most important things is also picking up a phone and speaking and saying hello to people has assumed that much more significance today than ever before.
So you're saying stay in touch, nevertheless, in spite of the pandemic situation, use this opportunity to learn more things, attend virtual conferences, post your comments. Someone might like your question, like to engage with you and hold a great conversation with you. And you said that, look, in spite of the pandemic, use this opportunity to be in touch with them, call them up, say hello, and so that would be a great way to stay in touch. So, Kailash, the other thing that I wanted to ask you is that in spite of this pandemic, when the world comes back to normal, you think there's going to be a lot of real interaction के virtual interaction ही रहेगा हम लोग
real interaction चालू होगा, but I think this is where it's going to become very interesting because earlier our belief was कि हम physical interaction के बगैर कभी काम कर ही नहीं
सकते. Correct.
Okay. अभी it will not be that. So you will choose very wisely कि मैं प्रेम खत्री के साथ virtual interaction करके मेरा काम हो जाएगा, but ABC के साथ मुझे physical interaction करना पड़ेगा, and that is how you will maximize your time efficiency. तो तुम 20 कॉल करोगे दिन में, 10 नहीं करोगे या 4 नहीं करोगे या 5 नहीं करोगे जो पहले करते थे, बिकॉज तुमको मालूम हो जाएगा कि ये 10 लोगों से वर्चुअल इंटरेक्शन है और ये 10 लोगों से फिजिकल इंटरेक्शन करना पड़ेगा. तो द वर्ल्ड विल चेंज फ्रॉम बीइंग हाफ वर्चुअल हाफ फिजिकल.
Kailash, looking at the situation, let's say in 21, where we hope that the situation comes back completely to normal. Hopefully, एक साल के अंदर ये वैक्सीन वगैरह डेवलप हो जाएगा और सब लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन हो जाएगा, and travel will become normal. People will start working from offices. Do you see yourself or your salespeople going and meeting people, or do you think you will encourage them to be more selective about किसको मिलना है physically, किसको conference में बात करना है? What are your views and thoughts on that?
Very clearly, the number of sales calls per day will go up.
Okay.
Because they will be both physical and virtual, like I said. So that will be one big change. Okay. Second, ability to reach out with better quality communication is going to happen, because if you have to reach out virtually, you cannot have two paragraph write-ups. You have to have crisp write-ups for people to get interested and then have a conversation with them. So wo hoga. So I wouldn't call it the old normal. It will be something the new normal. So life is going to change for all of us significantly, for the better. I am a diehard optimist, Prem. People can continue to say कि दिन खराब थे, महीने खराब थे, साल खराब था. I don't think so. कुछ खराब था. हाँ, थोड़े बहुत लोगों को थोड़ा नुकसान हुआ है. ऐसा नहीं है. But boss, 2018 मार्च से लेके आज, on a base of 1.7, 1.8 crore unique customers in the mutual fund industry, we added 50 lakh customers, which is more than 25% on the original base.
Correct.
In this kind of a situation, if we have added 50 lakh new investors, see, in our industry, I think the biggest mistake we all make is we talk AUM. We should stop talking AUM. We should talk how many new investors you added, because more number of families you add, more number of new investors you add, your business is going to grow. It is a simple thumb rule. AUM is an outcome of this. Okay. You should focus on new customers. And today, because you're in the virtual world, बस आप सोच लो कि कोई एक बंदा नासिक का हो और नासिक का उसका पूरा जो सर्कल था वो नौकरी के लिए या धंधे के लिए अलग अलग शहरों में या अलग अलग देशों में चला गया है. पहले वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कभी उनसे टच में नहीं था, बिकॉज ही कुड नॉट फुलफिल हिज skill set of selling them the funds. Today, now that everybody is used to online, whether the person has gone to Timbuktu or has gone to Tahiti, how does it make a difference? He can be your customer. So the world has now become very, very small. So I don't think there is an issue at all. I think you should grab opportunities which are present, and that's why I believe, Prem, अगले 3 साल में हमारे industry में we will triple or quadruple our investor base.
Okay.
So I am very happy. I have no problem. In fact, this whole pandemic has taught us to become 10x more efficient than what we ever thought we could become.
Okay. Now there are a couple of questions from the audience. One is from Rajiv. He's saying, Kailash sir, what is your take on BNI kind of networking, where it is a give and take relationship established from the word go? Are you familiar with BNI network, I assume?
Absolutely. So there is absolutely no harm in a BNI relationship where you go there, you give a 2-minute pitch about your product and service. People who want it will, and otherwise they will pitch their service. But finally, at the end of the day, please understand one thing. When you go into a BNI conference, you are going with a very clear that this is a give and take relationship.
Correct.
So there is no harm. What I meant earlier was, when you go to other conferences, don't assume it's a give and take relationship.
Yeah.
So in a BNI, it is defined as a give and take relationship. So it's a great place to make great contacts. And let me give you an example, BNI. So again, I'll give you a real life BNI example. Okay. I happened to go to Coimbatore on official trip. And because I've got friends in Coimbatore and it was a Friday, I was in Coimbatore. I said, I will stay back, spend time with them. Now, see, this is networking. People may not say it's networking, but actually it is networking. I could have taken the Friday evening flight and come back to Bombay and say, no, I have to be with my family. But I said, दोस्तों को कब मिलना होता है? तो I said, चलो Saturday है, काम तो है नहीं, तो मैं रह लूंगा. Saturday, one of our other Coimbatore distributors, not mine, he was my insurance distributor when I was in the insurance world. He met me in the evening during the walk. And he said, अरे कैलाश तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? He said, एक काम करना, कल सुबह हमारा BNI मीटिंग है, तू आ जा. I said, मैं क्या करूँ BNI मीटिंग में आने के? He said, नहीं मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा कि तू म्यूचुअल फंड का है, तो you give a 5-minute or 10-minute talk on personal finance and investments. It will help you. I went. Why not? Because there are 40 businessmen who are going to come for breakfast. They will come to know L&T Mutual Fund name. Why should I leave that opportunity? So I went with him for breakfast. Coincidentally, one of them happened to be an interior decorator. And my friend who I was staying with was planning to redo his flat and was thinking किस interior decorator को दूं. So I said, एक काम करता हूँ, मैं आपका कार्ड दीजिए, मैं मेरे friend को देता हूँ. He is actually looking at changing his interiors. If he thinks you are the right person, he'll get in touch with you. What harm did I do? Nothing, right? I just connected two people. Good enough for me. So absolutely no problem with BNI.
Okay. Now, एक और question ये है कि from Sunita, how do you think one can develop good listening skills? आपने भी बोला था कि देखो बात मत करो. Listen to people.
For that, you have to develop patience, because sometimes when somebody is talking and saying something wrong or incorrect, our first thought is to interject and correct the person. Now, how you can control that? Wait for that person to finish and then in a very polite way say or enter the conversation. It is difficult. You can't. You have to practice listening skills. As Indians, we love to talk. So,
as Indians, dunya mein, I think everyone likes to talk.
Yeah. So,
yeah, it's a very social.
You have to hold yourself back. It's like that. Suppose you're on a diet and you see some very good food. Your natural instinct is to eat the food. But if you remember that you are on a diet, you hold yourself back like that. You have to hold yourself back. And so, but it takes a little bit of practice to do that.
मैंने एक चीज देखा है कैलाश, just want to supplement what you say. मैंने ये देखा कि आपकी tendency to talk more is when you are too self-absorbed. अगर मेरे को genuinely आप में interest है, या topic में interest है, तो फिर then I will find it more interesting to listen to you than to show off my own knowledge. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, if I'm too self-absorbed, मैं बोलूँगा आप गलत बोल रहे हो. Oh, I'll give you a better example of that. और मैं so perhaps when one of the ways to developing good listening skills is to somewhere actually be more interested in what the other party has to say, the topic, and then say, no, I think he has something more to add than what I already know. And then, perhaps that will help you, give you an incentive to listen.
So, Prem, I'll give you again a current example. Indo-China काफी बातचीत चल रहा है आजकल.
बिल्कुल रोज ही चल रहा है.
Hot topic है एकदम Indo-China. And somebody is talking about Indo-China and he is giving an example. And you jump into the fray and you say, नहीं यार, मेरा तो अंकल है ना, वो एयरफोर्स में है, वो फॉरवर्ड में है, और मुझे तो काफी कुछ ज्ञान मिलता है. तुम जो बोल रहे हो वो ठीक नहीं है यार, इससे ज्यादा ऐसा हो रहा है.
Okay, yes. This is how more normal conversations go.
Yeah, it is the instinct which makes you want to jump in and have the conversation rather than let the person finish it and say, I agree with you, but I was talking to my uncle and he is posted on the forward. He is in the Air Force and they are doing these sorties over J&K. और वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि the situation is quite different from what is getting reported in the press.
Okay.
It's a very different way of telling the same point. And सबसे ज़्यादा, I think, the biggest place where we jump in into conversations is where the topic is very hot. So if it's Indo-China, it's very hot. Okay, if it is Kashmir, it's very hot. If it's something happening in the government, it's very hot. And we like to jump into those conversations.
Okay. Great, Kailash. So many interesting things we learned from you today. I will try to remember some of them. आपने बहुत अच्छी चीजें बताई थी. I'll try and recall some of them for the sake of the audience. One of the first points you made was that get out of your comfort zone. Number two, you said read a lot. Do not put yourself under the pressure of achieving something, getting business when you are interacting with people, because that way, you are not letting it develop the relationship develop in a natural way. Be genuinely interested in people and what they have to say. You told us about how we could use different media. You told us develop better listening skills. You told us about Twitter, LinkedIn, this thing. So all of it. So wonderful to have you, Kailash. Hopefully we will physically meet at another conference. Huh?
I'll assure you this time I'll not take 15 minutes to reach you, Prem. I'll go do it fast.
अरे नहीं अब तो तुमका 1 घंटा लगेगा. Okay, I think hotel में मालूम है जो most big hotels have a different approach for celebrities. तो जैसे तो आपको शायद अगली बार celebrity वाले रास्ते से लाना पड़ेगा. No, Kailash, it is a testimony to your popularity in the industry. There are genuinely people seem to have a good, they regard you very well, they respect you. There's a lot of affection. Let me put it to you this way.
Thank you, Prem. So only request, Prem, like I talked about listening to good speakers. We have our event happening, please log in on Tuesday and Thursday, 4 to 6. You will get to hear some very, very good speakers from L&T Mutual Fund side. I can assure you that.
Okay. हमारे साथ भी share कर देना so that I will put it up on our website also.
It's being regularly carried on your website, Prem. So
okay, fantastic. So have a great event on Tuesday and
Thursday for the next 3 weeks, 4 to 6.
Okay. तो मार्क कर लेते हैं Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, 4 to 6. Okay.
For the next person who's going to talk on Tuesday, it's a very inspirational story.
So, okay. Fantastic. Kailash, great to have had you with us today. Enjoyed this conversation thoroughly, and thank you everyone here who has participated in this webinar today. Thank you so much, and I really hope that you had many interesting takeaways from this particular webinar. So
thank you everyone. And last message, please stay safe and stay healthy.
Yes, and have a great weekend. Okay. Chalo, bye-bye.